seconds or less. Alright, let's get started. Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to learn how to do fast.
Oh my gosh, no, that's too cringy. Yo, what's up? It's Alec here, and today, I decided to recreate that video that I made almost 4 years ago. So the first hack is how to tie your shoe in like a couple seconds. Alright, so let's switch to the overhead view, and let's go. Alright, so first we're gonna need a shoe. There we go. First I'm gonna show you how to do it, and then I'll teach you how. Let's get started. 3, 2, 1, action. Alright, boom. As you can see there, I just did it, and now I'm going to teach you how. So you're going to want to start with the laces. Grab the laces, and you want to do the X in a loop that you do when you're starting to tie your shoe normally. Alright, after you got that, you are going to take the laces, make finger guns. With your right hand, you're going to go thumb under, and then index, and then the other hand, index first, and then you're going to cross, grab, and pull. Alright, now I'm going to show you one more time in a second. Alright, so you want to start with the laces, X in a loop, grab the laces, make finger guns, the right hand thumb goes first, left hand index finger goes first, you're going to cross, grab, and pull through, and boom, you've just tied your shoes really fast. Alright, and the second hack is how to fold a shirt in just a couple seconds. So, let's go back to the overhead view and do that. Alright, so, once again, I'm going to show you how to do it. But first we're going to need a shirt, unfolded, but laid out. So, I'm going to lay it out right now. Alright, so I'm going to show you how first in just a couple seconds. Ready? Now. Boom, look at that. Ooh, yes, that is nice folding work, and boom, that was folded by a boss. Me. Alright, so now I'm going to show you how. So step 1, lay out your shirt. Step 2, you're going to imagine 2 invisible lines, one going down from the center of the shoulder and one through the center of the shirt. Just like that, you can grab point A and point B. Then you can grab point A and drag down to the corner of the shirt, then you're going to pull through, maybe give it a little shake to check the wrinkles, and then go across, and boom, you are now a pro at folding shirts. And back to you, Alec. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed these 2 life hacks that might help you do those stuff faster. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for another video coming out hopefully in a couple days. So peace out. If you like my sweatshirt, then check out Onyx Avenue on Instagram. Or go to the link in the description below. Onyx Avenue specializes in monochrome clothing for street-styled youth, but don't worry, they have sizes for everyone from toddler to adult.